3, 2, 1. All right, here we are, folks, down with another downtown update. We have a young lady here, beautiful young lady. What's your name?
Katie.
Katie. What are you doing down here at downtown Huntington Beach?
Just having a good time with one of my girlfriends. We were hanging out.
Where is she?
She's sitting over there because
she's
didn't
camera
want to
shy.
be on the
She's
camera,
camera shy. It's
so,
okay.
you know.
That's okay. So what brings you down to Huntington Beach downtown? You like it down here?
Yeah,
or?
it's fun. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Change.
Yeah.
Change of scenery.
Change of scenery? What's the normal scenery for
I
you?
live in Long Beach.
Long Beach.
So,
okay, yeah. So
yeah.
you're going out a new, different kind
Yeah.
of feel, right? Okay. So what is there to do in Long Beach that's cool, I guess?
What's there to do in Long Beach at school? See, there's the beach, so you can hang out at the beach. There's tons of bars. Second Street's kind of popular. There's lots of stuff to do in Long Beach, but this is different, little different vibe.
Very different vibe. Okay, very different vibe in downtown Huntington Beach, folks.
Yes.
So, what would you like to recommend to everyone out there about downtown Huntington Beach?
Well, it depends on what you're looking for. Fred's has a good Taco Tuesday, really good margaritas. Hurricanes has a nice little dance floor over there. We were just at Killarney's. They've got a great DJ on Friday nights. It's a nice little pub, laid back. So, it depends on what you're looking for.
Well,
But
one more time. What was your name?
Katie.
Katie. Thank you so much, Katie.
Thank you.
You too. All right. Great. One more time. That's Downtown Update. We'll see you next time.